When we talk about the digital logic design, as we have determined it before, what do we know about digital first of all, and what we know about binary number system mean? Unit 1 Introduction to Digital Systems. You're going to see what the digital system means. What does the signal mean? A signal is an electromagnetic or electrical current that is used for carrying data from one system or network to another. The signal is a function that conveys information about a phenomenon. In electronics and telecommunications, it refers to any time-varying voltage that is an electromagnetic wave which carries information. A signal can also be defined as an observable change in quality such as quantity. Digital and analog signal. The term digital refers to the fact that the signal is limited to only a few possible values. In general, digital signals are represented by only two possible voltages on a wire, 0 volts, which we call the binary 0 or just 0, and 5 volts, which we call binary 1 or just 1. We sometimes call these values low and high or false and true. A digital signal is a signal that is used to represent data at a sequence of separate values at any point in time. It can only take on one of a fixed number of values. This type of signal represents a real number within a constant range of values. Analog signal is a continuous signal in which one time-varying quantity represents another time-based variable. Analog signal is represented by the sine waves. Analog signals used to detect the video and audio transmission, while digital signals used to detect the digital and computing electronics. The key differences between analog and digital signal. In the analog signal, it is continuous, low bandwidth, suited for audio and video transmission, and causes for observational errors, may not offer flexible implementation. While digital signal, it is discrete and high bandwidth, suited for digital and computing electronics, may not cause for observational errors, and it offers flexible implementation. Here are essential characteristics of analog signal. This type of electronic signals are time-varying, minimum and maximum values, which is either positive or negative. It can be either periodic or non-periodic. Analog signal works on continuous data. Here are essential characteristics of digital signal. Digital signals are continuous signals, which means they are discrete signals. This type of electronic signals can be processed and transmitted better compared to analog signal, and digital signals are versatile, so it is widely used. The accuracy of the digital is better than that of the analog signal. Advantages of analog signals and digital signals. Advantages of analog signals: easier in processing, best suited for audio and video transmission. It has a low cost and is portable. It has a much higher density, so that it can present information that's more defined. Advantages of digital signals. Digital signal makes running instruments free from observation errors like parallax and approximation errors. A lot of editing tools are available. You can edit the sound without altering the original. A copy is easy to transmit the data over networks. When we go to the disadvantages of analog signals and digital signals, disadvantages of analog signals: tape is becoming hard to find. It is quite difficult to synchronize analog sound. Quality is easily lost. Data can become corrupted. And disadvantages of digital signals: sampling may cause loss of information. A over D and D over A demands mixed signal hardware, and processor speed is limited. Develop quantization and round off errors.